Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. When I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you to hate it.
This is a little embarrassing. I did my makeup. Clearly I haven't done it in a while. As I get closer, it kind of looks like, oh, it kind of matches, but girl back here, I don't know. In soft lighting, it's alright. Like, it's not completely noticeable of the way that it looks right now. But I'm embarrassed, and I spent a lot of time on this, so I'm just gonna go with it. But disclaimer, I know it doesn't match. That's what we're talking about. So it is what it is. I did this and I'm not redoing the makeup because it took a minute. Like, I ain't doing that. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig. So the brand is the Colorful Queen. This is 26 inches in 180% density. What else? It's also synthetic, so it's not even bad at all for a synthetic wig. I do get a little bit of tangling, but that's expected. Girl, this was $20. Synthetic for $20. I mean, that's amazing. So yeah, like, it's really, really nice. It's really bomb. I haven't gotten to like straightening or flat ironing it. Really don't plan on it. Maybe some long curls. We'll see how I'm feeling. So real quick, I'm going to just be slicking my hair back. My hair has been like curling up crazy. Lately, I don't know if I just lost a touch on doing my hair completely. I feel like I have. But I already laid down 2 layers of Eco Style. I didn't try to go hard on it because my hair is gonna just build up really fast, and especially with this Black Panther. So this is like the key of what's gonna really make my hair slick. But we'll see. Let's see. So I'm probably gonna use about this much. I'm just gonna try and get away with just that much. I think I could do it. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. And I think the most important thing when doing your hair is smoothing in your hair. Like, if it's not smooth in, it doesn't make sense. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a. You see, like, my scalp is already building up a lot of this stuff, but it's alright because I'm gonna wash it soon. I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. These demons really. So with this, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just literally combing it back with my rat tail comb, and this makes it look like, oh my god, like she really took a lot of time on her hair, when in reality it's like, I don't know, a couple minutes. And boom, and then I'm gonna like add one more layer, just like where it might be a little more wavy. Then I'm gonna go over with my hard bristle brush, then the soft brush. And I don't know, this method just works really well for me. Like, as you can see how slick it's getting just on a couple of goes. I'm gonna do the same thing here on this side. Boom, I ain't slicked my hair in a minute. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna scoop this cap up. Don't mind the rest. Just scoop this cap up all the way so that I can somewhat set it like this. And it's gonna like scoop back over time, but it's alright. No complaints here. And if I want, I can go ahead and do the sideburns. I don't know, me, I'm just not really into it like that, but if it looks horrible, I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, so with the edges, I'm just gonna go in and apply a little bit of Eco Styler. Again, my hair tends to build up product easily, so it's like really annoying. So I'm just trying to be light with the amount of product that I use.
They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade.
So now I'm here. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wig and just get into the rest. I'm not gonna lay down my edges or anything because I just want to do a quick review. It's kind of late, so I really like this makeup, but it looks so bad. This looks like 2016 makeup. Guys, okay, first of all, I haven't worn makeup in forever, so this foundation is literally like 6 years old. 6, how old am I, 21? Okay, like 3 to 4 years old. Like, oh my god, I can't. Okay, this is the wig. It's in a half up, half down kind of thing. The half up is kind of like in the middle of the head, so I'm just gonna apply it like this and then comb out a little bit more later. But it has combs. I'm not a fan of combs because I feel like it just has too much tension. So I took a few of mine out. Or actually, I just took one out, which was in the middle of my head. And I like to just place it wherever I feel the most comfortable. Look how life-changing this is. Just kind of adjust it where you feel best. And whatever. So if you see me slipping, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road. Cause I can't let them take my soul. And then you take this, I'm gonna readjust. So I'm gonna tie this up real quick and readjust this part.
They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess.
Alright, how is this?
Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati.
Now I'm just gonna take it down. This is the wig. Let me see if I can show you guys better. This is it. Alright, so I like side parts on my right side, so this is what I'm gonna work with today. I didn't do anything to this hair. It is 100% basically out the bag. I just combed it out with the wide tooth comb, so the curls are a little bit bigger. And I genuinely really like how this looks. This gives me like a Hollywood, I don't know, it gives me a really Hollywood cute bomb look. I changed my whole appearance in a minute. Like, oh god, how catfishy. But anyway, this is the look. My baby hairs are done, and I have it to the side. And you could do a million styles that you want with this. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. And it's like really long. So, yeah.
Why I be going ghost? I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you